lot of mess here, man. All this slurry is going to dry, and we got to pull it away from the pilings as we move forward. So, yeah, there's no way of preventing it. That's one down there, here. I'm in the pool area right now, so we got 3 more to do over here, but we're just going straight down. These here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 9th one is getting done for the house. And again, like I said, this is going to be part of the house because the soil here is not conducive for anything to be built on it by itself. So that's why we have the pilings. And the pilings is going to really kind of like take the shape of the house more or less. And this is what it's going to be sitting on. This is going down 38 feet. And then we're going to have the actual cages, the 9-inch diameter cages that's going to be submerged into the concrete, as you can see. Try to get them as straight as we can. But as you can see, I'm walking on all this mess. This is the actual drill that's going down now. If we hit lime rock or any kind of resistance, we'll just mark it up and say, hey, we couldn't go any further. We still put the cage in, we just have to cut it off because that means that the drill will hit something solid down in the ground. But for right now, it's been going down where it's intended, 38 feet. Some cases may, and that's the goal. The pool area is going down 36 feet because we got 38 feet cages, but you'll see a resistance. I don't know if this is a resistance here, but yeah, this is what the house is actually going to be sitting on. Okay, it's quite high, it's essentially higher than the neighbor's house because these houses are kind of like dated, and that's okay. But hey, the new code, you got to be so many inches above the crown of roll or so many feet above the water table, and all that is done. This may look like it's got some resistance, it's hitting something. And again, it's probably just getting through the dirt and mulch. And all what the guys are doing, they're just pulling everything away from the drill so they can have a clear path. I do have boots. I don't even know why I didn't bring my boots. My rubber boots. Oh, God. I'll be all right. Look at that. Just ridiculous. What's y'all doing out there? Got my boy here doing a porta john. I'm gonna get back to it. What up? What up? What up? What's up, my brother?
How you doing,
I'm doing
man?
good out here, man.
I see you out here.
Yeah. This is Stuart right here. Got the Freedom Portables for me. You see what he got going on right here?
Yeah, I gotta come swap this one too.
All right. Well, we up here doing our thing, man.
I know it.
You said we up here doing our thing here, man. How you been?
I'm good, man.
That's good. That's good. That's good.
I see you in action, man.
Hey, you know we doing that thing, man.
Always.
Yeah. How's things with you?
Everything's beautiful, man. I'm good. Thank you.
Hey, man, that's what's up.
Everything good on your end?
I'm here.
Right, I see.
I'm here on the daily. Always a pleasure, man. Always a pleasure. Hey, go do your thing. I don't like the smell of that when they clean that out, man. I didn't want to cut it because I wanted to get you real live stuff, man. One of our vendors we use for our Porta John, you know, actually it's our only one. He's always on point, cleaning it out, which is good. You always got to have that Porta John cleaned out, man. They're pouring the concrete in now as they rewind this thing here. We have our engineer over there watching every step of the way, making sure it's done properly. Each one of these get labeled. Okay. All right, King, talk to you. Start seeing the gray concrete come out a little bit. Right now it's just the dirt, different layers of dirt, dark, medium. Yeah, you see it. Okay, now we're getting ready to put the cage in. I mean, this is tough enough, but when you're dealing with Mother Nature,
Yeah.